Hey there, welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. My name is Summer and today I'm going to give you a quick look at the brand new SHADOWSENSE that was just released by SeneGence. It's this gorgeous blue glitter called LAPIS glitter. This shadow is part of the Glitz Glam limited edition set that SeneGence just released this April. Lapis glitter is a beautiful blue SHADOWSENSE color. It won't smear, it won't smudge. Here's a little look at what it looks like just placed on my hand. The cool thing about these is that you can kind of blend them out to lighten up and be a little bit more sheer, or you can really pack them on and get that really saturated blue color with that highly pigmented glitter. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use this as your accent color or contrast color in the outer edge of my eye. I've already got my eye look on, so what I did is I mixed Pink Frost and Candlelight for my base. I put Pink Posy on from the outside and I kind of worked that in towards the inner corner, and then I went ahead and placed Tropical Orchid glitter on top of that. So I've got this kind of purple that's a little bit more of a warm purple, and then I'm going to go ahead in with my Lapis glitter and I'm going to place that in the outer edge and work and blend that in a little bit. This is super easy to work with. It is sometimes what you'll find with some cream to powder eyeshadows is that it's hard to get a really good saturation, and sometimes it will start to actually lift the color that's underneath that color up. Now you can see I got really great coverage on the outer edge. There's no splotchiness, there's no patchiness, and then it blended really beautifully and seamlessly into that other color. So what I like to do after I've placed that color in is take my shadow brush that I used on that transition color and I just kind of blend the edges with it. I don't add any color onto it. I'm just using it to kind of blend that darker color in. Then on the outer edge, I go ahead and take a brush and put a little bit of foundation, and I'm going to clean up the outer edge, and you can see what that looks like. Next, I'm going to take just a little bit more of that and I'm going to run it underneath my lower lash line, just on the outer edge to give that a little bit of drama. And now I'm going to take some eyeliner and another coat of mascara. I'll do the other side and I'll check back with you so you can see the final look. And there you have it. Here's the finished look that I did with Lapis glitter on the outer edge. So I used the black iSense waterproof eyeliner pencil for my liner, and I used the LashSense Volume Intense non-waterproof mascara in black. I'll link these for you guys below as well. I absolutely love it. I think for me, because I am more of a warm skinned or warm toned person, that blues can be a little bit harder for me to wear because they pull a little gray. I love that this almost pulls to a violet shade, so it's more on the purple tone, so it's really easy to wear. This is going to be gorgeous as an eyeliner. It'll be gorgeous like I did it as your accent color. It's even cool if you tap a little bit on a purple lip color. There's a lot of things that you can do with this, so I'm excited to kind of play with it. I would love for you to stay tuned for this next video because I'm going to show you how to do a really cool highlight technique using another brand new SHADOWSENSE color. This is Platinum Glitter, so stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.